dance of the KUKI Mizo community. Every dance, every song in Naga culture tells a story. And the story behind this dance is that once the only daughter of a village chief fell in love with a boy from a poor family. The chief arranged a feast and the pastel dance, Suta Lam, was fashioned to crush the ankle of the boy during the dance with the pastel. Knowing the evil plans of the chief, the boy's friends wanted to save him from being hurt, so they communicated through the words of the song by singing Chom Chondo in Gol Tampa, which means jump out, my beloved. Today, instead of the pastel, bamboos are being used. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Suta Lam or the pastel dance performed by the KUKI cultural troupe. Now I would like to invite Yachumaro cultural troupe